Now, we've encountered a small problem when we've been digging out the foundations, and let me show you what it is. The guys dug out the corner of the foundations here. They found an old cesspit, and as you can see, it's got a concrete ring there full of water, but it's obviously got all this cruddy stuff around the edge. So we're waiting for the building control guy to come out and have a look, but what we think we're going to do, what Dan, the main builder, thinks we're going to do, is get all the muck out from around the edge, leave the concrete ring in it, pump the water out, and then fill it full of concrete all around the edge to keep all that solid, and then we'll bring it up to the foundation strip level. What do you want to say then, Dan? Are you excited about the job?
Yeah, very excited.
Yeah, absolutely. So there you have it, that's the finished foundation concrete pour, ready for next week for us to do all the block work, ready for receiving the beam and block floor. So see you next time.